In this video, we will explain how to summarize. A summary is a short version of a text, showing the main idea of the text. Learning how to summarize is important because it helps you to filter out the most important information of a text, organizing it in a way you can easily reproduce the information if necessary. Let's have a look at a strategy to write a good summary. Here are 5 steps to help you summarize. Each step is answering a question about the text. Step 1. Who? Whom is the text about? Is it a person, a group of people, or maybe a country or an animal? Write down who is involved in the story, along with the essential details to answer the who question. Step 2. What? What is the situation or the problem in the text? Describe in a few sentences what is the matter at hand. Include only essential details to explain the what question. Step 3. When? When was, is, or will be the situation? Is it something that happened only yesterday? Or is it a situation from a long time ago? Or maybe it is a description or warning about the future. Describe it. Only include essential information to explain the when question. Step 4. Where? Where is the described taking place? Use scanning to look for details. Describe only essential information to explain the where question. Step 5. How? How is the situation handled, or the problem solved? Or what is the consequence of what happened? Again, describe it as best you can, including essential information only. These 5 steps can be used to help you summarize. In order to remember them, you can use this trick. Take a look at your hand. Spread your fingers. Each finger represents one of the steps. Your thumb, who. Your index finger, what. Your middle finger, when. Your ring finger, where. Your pinky, how. Now, not all the texts have answers to all of the questions, but always check the text for all of the questions to make sure you have all the information in the text. Summarizing is an important skill. Practice it when you can. You can watch this video at any time.